see there? I mean, I'm happy.
You not have to be my friend, no. Me not have to be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids them. Me know them a from long time, so me not to believe in a mankind. Me future brighter than sunshine. Plus me granny tell me this one time. New level, new level. New level, new level.
What's up, guys? Hi. If I'm away, I go to the gym. What you know? Alright, so it's just a vlog. Travis, watch him. I go for the glasses. Put it on. You wanna look cool for the vlog. Can't manage. So now it's Tuesday. I just published a vlog, vlog 137. So make sure to check it out. It's before this vlog still, so yeah. Oh yeah. So just up on the road. Going to the gym regular day. So okay. What's up, guys? Sun is shining on my feet. Jesus, like it all blind me. Me and Shami going on the road today. No school for her today. We're going, go to a couple places. Morning. Yeah, tweeze out here out to your face or a great ear. Yeah, tweeze out. Me see you with the tweeze and me catch you.
Oh yeah, pray man. Who is Shami? Staying good. My big friend Shami. So where we're going now?
Take my number in case he's not the one. Baby, call me whenever he's acting up. And I'll be on my way. All these options on your plate, girl. Just wait up, just wait up, just wait up. Pretty face, good body, you must be somebody's wifey. You don't watch no other man, I rate that highly. Shawty and me on a late night. Got a man, got me thinking Shawty ain't right. She say she ain't about the creep life, but all she wanna do is take pipe. I ain't mad at nobody, I just wanna have your body. Now I can give you the key, girl, and you can meet me in the lobby. Talk about it. Oh, baby, it's nothing. If you need something,
Shami already made the stops we had to make, so now I'm gonna get my nails done. When I realize how long I'm gonna come do my nails, like they may look a hot mess doing my nails and my toes. Oh, simple outfit of the day. Wearing this hoodie I got from rosegal.com. I did a haul with it the other day. It's the first time wearing it. And these jeans pants. I think Divine bought me these jeans pants. Yeah, simple. And my sandals. Shami, denim on denim, denim hat, denim shirt, tank top, jeans pants, Champion sneakers. Guys, I am soaking my feet now. Going to get my pedicure. Look for my finger then. Don't make this thing focus. Focusing. Focus yet? It now focus. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can make it focus. So, see my finger then? It look awful. Yeah, I gotta remember that. Probably get something simple, not sure yet. I just want them to look well groomed. Right now they're not. I haven't done them for like over a month. So I'm gonna get them done. And And that's pretty much going to be it for the day, because after this I'm going to go home and, you know, get some stuff done. But then I have editing to do too. But yeah, so I didn't film. Usually Wednesdays are like afternoon and a lot of Wednesdays, but today was just a road day for me. So the week run by so fast. I think tomorrow is Thanksgiving and then Friday is Black Friday. So, well, not here in Jamaica, for all my people living in the US, that is. But yeah, so I'm leaving, just leaving the nail shop, Shelby and I. So finally fresh again, nails finally fresh again. You want somebody look like Maduman the other day. My nails them, but I got something simple, solid. Well, I don't know if I call it simple. So guys, I got chrome brown. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I was going to get the blue green one, that blue green. I wanted a dark nail look, so yeah, but as this one is like not really focused right now. Can't see there. So before I actually head home, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna stop. My nose see that go do I cannot deal with this.
How are you?
Watch him, I look man. Watch out.
I'm Travis, you are?
Watch out now.
I'm Travis, you are?
Watch out.
Okay.
Watch out.
Nice to meet you, okay? Have a good day here.
Oh my gosh! When you get out of that just now?
Every single woman in pass is stop. Watch it. What you say?
No, her name. It was Kate. Oh.
Him get her name. That's why I get out of that conversation.
Must be alright, I mean. But she's okay.
Come on, shall we
go away, man?
Oh my god. Anyway, so we'll get one salad when this buys show me some
fish.
Probably one burger or whatever.
Pass the car.
On traffic.
They are told.
Me, Sammy? Remember that.
I wonder if find man over here so still. Yeah. So I'm gonna get one Mediterranean or spicy chicken. I don't know. But yeah. See there, only for traffic, only for car there in front away. Just a turn going here, so in a Lucia Sun. Yeah. Find man there right over there, so. Oh my gosh.
No, look over there.
Oh my god. Now we're waiting on our food. Yeah, I got a spicy chicken salad. Should make it burger. Got a burger for mommy. Reach home and stop. And Rowan, come give me a link. See me here. I'm not disappointed him full like him hot. Well, listen to me. But I'm sure no one go on in the night. Ah, people. Yes, this is actually his first car. So I'll make you park over here, so no. Oh, then you could have come. True. Well, let's see inside. Alright. So literally today you get it?
Yes, today we have to go on the road.
So this is what we're working with. It's really nice. How do you feel?
Good to be the first car.
Where are you going so far? Where you say? What feel?
Good for the first time.
Yes, this is really good for your first car. What should be? Shabu, where you? No, mommy, just push me out again. What you? I'm so happy for you.
Happy for you.
So wait, the way you say she not see it yet? She not say that go bite?
She have idea some, but she know.
Oh, what you say?
What's your bite?
You know, you must have pepper. Nice. See there? I mean, I'm happy. Yeah. Every time I say I go buy one car still, but you know, yeah.
I'm gonna pick up my mother.
Good morning, people. Good morning. On my way to the gym. It's Friday. Yeah, so rain been falling, you know. Rain a fall for 2 days straight now. Like Jamaica not hot no more. Jamaica chilly. That's what we need. I'm not complaining. Like I'm happy, you know. And like when the rain stop, like a lot of Christmas breeze a blow and it's just so merry. You know, I kind of want the rain for cool long still and then leave the breeze, you know. But like because a lot of traffic on the road and stuff. And if you guys know Jamaican roads, like when rain fall, the road them just mash up more. So yeah, that's annoying. But yeah.
Can you be please?
Rain been falling from 3 o'clock is the morning.
Can you be please? You get rain to complain. Oh my god.
Me not complain.
When the sun come, oh so much time, huh?
No, you hear me complain? Me just say me not complain.
Okay.
Are you deaf?
Yes, but the rain now. What's the rain now? You want to stop now?
No, me say after I want to stop because if it fall continuously like this, it'll go mash up the place more like you know see road them. Oh, and persevere complain about road I mash up.
For me, I don't want no rain. Where that dry time. You know what I mean? Where I live, I'm cool here. Cool.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Congrats to you.
Cool. Every day is Christmas.
Yeah, you see through the rain and fall, you know how much time I say I want to go gym? Oh lord, but I now make the rain stop me from go gym. Like, can't make it stop.
Your soul set free when you reach the edge. Can't turn back now, girl, feel yourself. Everybody's sitting around and never capella because it by your papa. You want to make bankella. Touch up, and make your name swell. If your papa is a virgin, you come and tell her. So just stay there, they say they go hurry, yeah, you must tell her, come here, you feel it, don't in a propeller. Like the Dana Campbella. I'm all about the money. You cannot be president that coming. Every day I have a picture of me, I'm all about the money. And the money all about me. The money all about me. No money, then go buy.
I'm home, guys. I reached home like around half an hour ago now. I got fresh. I'm sore as hell because today we lifted so heavy. We did legs today. Today was legs day. Yeah, so we really targeted. You know, we just did a lot of heavy weighted squats, kickbacks, you know, a lot of those type of workouts and stuff. Yeah, now I'm here making my dinner. Mommy them not gonna eat this because I mean I'd prepare it different from how they're used to preparing their dinner. You know, some days I do this. I don't do it every day. Some days I eat what they eat. Some days I eat what is healthier, you know. So let me show you guys what I'm making. So I'm making some chicken breasts. I seasoned this nicely, but not too much seasoning. I use the Miss Dash seasoning. A little bit of my all-purpose Maggi all-purpose, just a little bit. I know I shouldn't really, but and I'm using my palm spray to fry this. I'm not using the regular one. It's not focusing. Yeah, palm with olive oil. This is the one that I'm using to fry it. And then I made some sweet potatoes, which I'm going to turn off like any second now because they're cooked. Just some boiled sweet potatoes. I'm going to put use the same oil that's frying the chicken to fry up these plantains. Yeah, so that's pretty much going to be it for my dinner today. I have Taninia's makeup to do later on today. I told you guys it's Friday, so yeah, I'm going to start editing this vlog. I have some other editing to do as well, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
You a trip now, tell me where we going. Girl, you're rocking that dress with your side boobs showing. I was wondering if you saw me. Looking at you, looking at me. She came over my way, she had the body of a Nubian queen. Don't know how long you're staying out tonight. Let go.